Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be reviewing Bento, a convertible coffee table with a folding top. Let's dive in. Let's start by opening the Bento convertible coffee table. So I pull this lever here and then I exert a minimum pressure with my hand, okay? So you can adjust the height of the table to your taste. So you can bring it up to 75 centimeters, which is the right height for dining, or I could bring it up to 50 centimeters, which could, for example, could be used when I'm sitting on the sofa and having a dinner in front of the television. It might not be the best healthy habit that you can develop, but sometimes it might be nice. So this, in terms of how it is opened, it's the oldest type of mechanism. I was a child when I was finding this sort, for the first time, this sort of mechanism in my father's showroom. And well, you know, there are certain things which last for decades and they are really an evergreen. And this is an example. This is the bigger version of the Bento coffee table. This is 110 by 68. When you open it, it does become 110 by 136, so 136 by 110, and it can easily seat 6 people. In this case, you have 2, 2, 1, 1. Of course, you can squeeze in 8 people for a quick pizza. For a more formal dinner, it's suited for 8 people. And let's see how it's easily closed as well. Okay, I must be careful with my fingers at this point. And then, when I'm back here, I simply turn it and then push it down. There is a smaller version of the Bento convertible coffee table. The smaller version is 93 centimeters by 68. It does open in a slightly different way because it opens like this. So first make it slide on the side and then you fold the tabletop. It does sit, it becomes so 68 by 186 and it still sits 6 people, just with a slightly different approach because you will have 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. Let's talk about materials. So we have many finishes to choose from. First of all, the tabletop is 4 centimeters thick. When you open it, it does become 2 centimeters, of course. You have laminates, you have 16 of them, so much finishes to choose from. You have eco-mortar resin, and you have 12 different finishes. Eco-mortar resin is beautiful. It looks like a concrete finish, but it is available in multiple colors, and it's also quite practical. Then you have 3 available glass finishes, and then you have ceramics. You have 10 of them, and this is an example. This is diamond cream. It is very practical and very resistant. Basically, you need a hammer to create a damage. A very practical choice. Bear in mind that the way that the edge is managed depends on the materials that you choose. So, for example, for glass and ceramics, you have this edge, which is in a different finish, which is coordinated with the material of your choice. For example, with resin and laminates, the edge gives you the same exact finish of the main surface with a continuum for the resin, because it's actually a real resin which is applied on the overall surface, and with a proper matching edge when you choose laminates. Let's talk about the structure. So first of all, you have built-in wheels on both sides. This is very helpful when you need to move around your coffee table in your room. And you have 8 painted metal finishes. It's powder paint, so it's very resistant. And this color, I love this color, which is bronze, and I especially like it. Well, I do love the browns and all its shades. Especially like this match between bronze and the diamond cream ceramics. What is your taste? Do you like it? Write it in the comments. 2 additional finishes for the structure are chromed finishes, and you have the standard chrome, and you also have the black chrome, which is very stylish. So we've come to the end of today's product review about the Bento convertible coffee table with folding top. I hope that you like it, and see you next time.